Hello everyone. I'm Rose Oatley, and with school starting, everyone wants to make a quick meal. So today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti with meatballs using a jar of spaghetti sauce, but making it super delicious using a few simple ingredients. If you prefer a completely homemade spaghetti sauce, then be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got one coming soon. Alright, so we're going to start by dicing up an onion. This is about 1/4 of an onion. Now for any picky kids out there who don't like spaghetti sauce, I'm going to also show you how to make a quick cheese sauce. Alright, so also besides homemade meatballs, there's only one type of meatball that I really like, and these meatballs are from Costco. They are Aidells Teriyaki pineapple meatballs that I think you're going to love. And so they usually come 2 in a package. We're going to be using 1 package today. Remember, it's about making everything quick, so we're going to go ahead and put these meatballs on a paper plate and stick them in the microwave for 7 minutes. Alright, so over here we want to start boiling some water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. In another pan, we want to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter melts, you want to add your diced onions and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to be sauteing these, but we're also going to add a package of already sliced mushrooms. Yum! I love mushrooms. Funny story is, I actually used to hate them. It wasn't until my husband, long time ago, sauteed some mushrooms for me, and I thought they were the greatest. And ever since then, I've been making them. Mushrooms tend to absorb all the oils really quick, so if you need to add just a little splash of olive oil, feel free to do so. My meatballs are out of the microwave, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in with my mushrooms. For the spaghetti sauce, I like using this Classico tomato and basil. I add the whole jar, and then I also fill it up with just a little bit of water right about up to there. And then I shake it just to get everything off the sides. Now, you don't have to add the water if you don't want. If you like your spaghetti nice and thick, I like it just a little bit runny, and it also makes a little more spaghetti sauce to feed my family of 4. Alright, so to the sauce, we're going to start with a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. I'm also going to be adding a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, which will give it a nice flavor. We're going to let this simmer on low heat while we work on our pasta and cheese sauce. Once your water starts boiling, you want to go ahead and add your pasta. Now, I like using Barilla brand as my preference. I am not being sponsored. I just like that brand, but you can use any brand you like and then just cook it according to your package directions. While my pasta is cooking, I'm going to show you how to make the cheese sauce. Now, in a Tupperware container, you want to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're also going to be using Velveeta. This is the original kind, and this is an 8-ounce box. I'm going to be using half a block of that, which is 4 ounces, and we're going to put this in the container as well. We're also going to add some milk, and it's kind of hard to give you an exact measurement, but I'm going to say probably about 1/4 cup of milk. You want to stick it in the microwave starting at 1 minute. Then you want to come out, mix it. If you feel your sauce is too thick, then add just a little bit more milk, and just kind of keep putting it in increments of 30 seconds until you get a smooth, nice sauce. You're also going to want to add some salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. This will make a yummy sauce for your kids. Alright, coming back to my sauce, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some parsley flakes. If you have fresh, even better. If you don't have parsley and you have basil, you can put basil in there as well. Our sauce is now ready. Now let's go plate this. I've got my bowl with my spaghetti ready to go. Now let's just add our sauce to it. If you like, you can also top this off with some grated parmesan cheese, which I absolutely love. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.